gets to run down. Dribble, 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 dribble. Look, there's pee everywhere.
What? What? There's pee everywhere.
Right, come here. Let me get you.
Dribble, dribble.
So cool. Huh? Huh? Besides that, Jay.
Boy, it's caught a big one. Oh, I just caught another big one. I got it. Watching some animal like.
What an issue with me? Babe, are you video? Stop.
Yeah. No video, baby.
He's getting ready for a good. Oh, my Lanta.
Oh, baby.
The water.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like ice.
I want to go walk on it.
Negative.
What part of the shh? No, I'm listening because you'll hear the branches and stuff breaking. I think they're all sleeping. Brian, stop! My hair's all gross.
Caught a big one. Got another one. Got another one.
Well, honey, I'm not thinking that you can admit one right now.
But big one. The 3?
Yeah.
Is a hoof?
Yeah, baby, I see it.
Huh?
Yeah, baby, I see it.
In the video.
I think so.
That one? Mom, now they're falling big.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, that was a good one. I got me a good one.
Jeff and Emily are missing this. Pisses me off.
Yeah. Yeah, Jeff, Emily, this is what y'all missing. It's pretty. Yep, see your sister trying to catch those snowflakes with her. She got her tongue in. Me too. Oh, good, that was a good one. Yeah.
Come stand here and get the tree.
Huh? What, baby?
Go up the tree.
You need to zoom in on it.
Well, I don't care. Oh my gosh.
Let's see. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good.
That's funny.
Snowing big.
I know.
Yep.
I like this kind of snow. I didn't like that blizzard snow.
Okay, so you go this way to the back or this way to the front?
It says to Lemon Park, quarter
To
mile.
Lemon Lake.
Oh, Lemon Lake, sorry.
Quarter mile
I've
in,
never
quarter
seen
mile
that.
out. Me neither. We've been in this thing how many times? I've never seen that.
That's the first time too.
Quit!
Take a picture.
Hold on, Jay. You standing there with your sun sticking out? Which way are we going?
I don't know, babe. Let's go this way.
Hello. Oh my god, my knee almost hurt. Oh my god, that's just freaking water. Go down there. Is that all water right there?
Yes.
Oh, not this right here. It's probably sludgy mudgy.
Yeah, that's probably nasty.
Oh my, is that a fish?
That's what I thought too. It looks like it.
What? Where? Okay, babe. Go back to taking pictures.
And this is New Year's Eve, Pratt, Kansas, 2012.
Yep, think so.
We're gonna come back tomorrow and say 2013.
Yep. Come back tomorrow and say 2013. And